Making money online in 2024 is a reality that is well within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort and learn the right strategies. The potential for earning a significant income online is massive, and it's not just limited to a select few. With the right mindset and approach, anyone can tap into this lucrative market and start generating a substantial income from the comfort of their own home. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to make money online is due to misinformation. There's so much noise out there, and it's hard to separate the legit opportunities from the scams. Many people get caught up in the hype only to find themselves stuck in a cycle of disappointment and frustration. Unrealistic expectations also play a huge role in people's failure online. They think they can get rich quickly without putting in the work, and when reality sets in, they give up. Add to that the fear of failure. And it's no wonder most people don't even bother trying to make money online in the first place. They are held back by their own limiting beliefs and lack of knowledge. And it's a real shame because opportunities are out there waiting to be seized. The truth is, making money online takes time, effort, and patience, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your favorite cup of coffee, sitting down at your computer, and earning money without leaving your house. Sounds pretty amazing, isn't it? Well, in 2024, this dream is more possible than ever. There are many ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Whether you love teaching, writing, or creating content, there's an opportunity out there for you. In this video, I'm going to share 5 remote ways you can make money online in 2024. From creating online courses to starting a YouTube channel, each of these methods can help you earn a good income, possibly even $1,200 per day. Let's dive into these exciting opportunities. Welcome to Brain and Bank. I'm your host, John. Our number one opportunity is to create and sell online courses. Let's start with creating and selling online courses. Have you ever thought about teaching others something you're really good at? Maybe you know how to bake delicious cakes, or you're great at playing the guitar, or you're a tech wizard who can explain programming to beginners. Whatever your skill is, there are some people out there who want to learn it. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on just about any topic. The best part, you don't need to be a professional teacher to get started. You just need to be passionate and knowledgeable about your topic. For more insight into creating and selling online courses, watch my video titled Make Money Online, Create and Sell Profitable Courses 2024 Guide. I'll link this in the description below. A few years ago, I met someone named Ada who loved baking bread. She always thought about teaching others, but wasn't sure how. Then one day she decided to record herself making her favorite bread recipes and turned those videos into a course. She uploaded her course to Udemy, and within a few months, she was making over $1,000 a month. It was all from sharing something she loved. Do you want to do what Ada did? If yes, okay, then pick a topic that others would find useful. Break it down into simple, easy to understand lessons. Record yourself teaching or create slides with voiceovers. Upload your course to platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Promote your course on social media or to your email list to get more students. If you create a great course and market it well, you can earn up to $1,000 a month or even more. Over time, as you create more courses, your income can keep growing. Number 2 opportunity is to start a newsletter business. Do you have a specific interest or hobby that you love to talk about? Maybe you are into fitness, personal finance, or travel. If so, starting a newsletter business could be perfect for you. With a newsletter, you can share helpful tips, advice, or stories with a group of people who care about the same things you do. It's like writing a letter to your friends, except those friends are also your audience, and you can make money while doing it. To succeed in doing this, watch my video titled How to Sell Digital Products with No Audience, a simple guide to get you started. The link is in the description below. Let me tell you about John. John was obsessed with personal finance and helping others manage their money better. He started writing a free weekly newsletter where he shared budgeting tips, investment advice, and how to save money. Over time, more and more people subscribed to his newsletter, and soon he had thousands of readers. John then introduced a premium subscription where readers could pay a small fee for exclusive tips, and just like that, his newsletter was earning him over $2,000 a month. Do you want to replicate what John did? Pick a niche or a topic you're passionate about, say cooking, fitness, or finance. Set up an email list using platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Send out regular content to your subscribers. Start with free content though. Once you grow your list, offer paid subscription or find sponsors who want to promote products to your audience. Newsletters take time to grow, but once you have a loyal audience, it can become a great source of steady income. Our third opportunity is offer freelance services. Do you have skills that businesses or individuals might need? Maybe you're good at writing, designing, programming, or even organizing things. If so, offering freelance services online is a fantastic way to earn money remotely. There are platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can offer your skills to people all over the world. To learn more about freelancing, watch my video titled How to Start Freelancing in 2024 and Succeed, Earning Potential included. The link is in the description below. I once met a freelancer named June who was amazing at graphic design. She started by offering logo designs on Fiverr. At first, she charged a small fee to build her portfolio, but as her reviews started piling up, she increased her price. Soon she was earning $100 plus an hour and could pick and choose which projects she wanted to work on. To replicate what June did, figure out what service you want to offer. Is it writing, graphic design, virtual assistants? Sign up on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr or Freelancer and create a profile. Set your rates. Start lower to attract clients and raise them as you gain experience. Deliver high quality work and build great relationships with your clients. Ask for reviews and testimonials to help you get more jobs. With freelance work, the sky's the limit. Experienced freelancers can earn $100 plus per hour, and if you build a strong client base, you could easily earn up to $1,200 a day. Our number 4 opportunity is to create and monetize YouTube content. Do you have passion for video creation or talking about things you love? Starting a YouTube channel could be the perfect opportunity for you. YouTube is one of the biggest platforms in the world, and many creators earn thousands of dollars just by making videos. You can start a YouTube channel on any topic that excites you, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, or even reviewing gadgets. As your channel grows and you get more subscribers, YouTube will start paying you through ads. You can also earn money through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Are you starting your YouTube journey from scratch, or do you want to gain more insight into how it all works? Watch my video titled Explosive YouTube Tips for 2024 Boost Your Channel Overnight. The link is in the description below, so check it out. Meet my daughter S. She loves playing video games and thought, why not record myself playing and post it on YouTube? She didn't expect much at first, but after a few months of consistent uploads, her channel started gaining subscribers. Soon, brands reached out to her for sponsorships and YouTube started paying her for ads on her videos. Now, my daughter S earns thousands of dollars each month just by doing something she loves, playing video games and making videos. Do you want to replicate what my daughter S did? Choose a topic you enjoy: gaming, vlogging, or tutorials. Whatever you enjoy doing. Create interesting, high-quality videos regularly. Use catchy titles and thumbnails to attract viewers. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply to YouTube's partner program to earn money from ads. Add affiliate links in your video descriptions or work with sponsors for extra income. With hard work and dedication, top YouTubers can make thousands of dollars per day. Our fifth opportunity is develop and sell digital products. Do you like creating things like ebooks, templates, or printable designs? If so, you can develop and sell digital products online and earn massive income. Digital products are awesome because once you create them, you can sell them over and over and over again without having to make anything new. You can sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Popular digital products include printables like planners and to-do lists, templates for social media posts, or even ebooks on topics you're passionate about. I have a colleague named Lisa who loves organizing just like me. She created a digital planner that helps people to organize their daily tasks. She uploaded it to Etsy, and within a few weeks, she was making consistent sales. Now she earned $1,000 plus. Now she earned $1,000 plus a month without having to do any extra work. Her digital product sells itself. If you want to replicate what Lisa did, pick a digital product that people need or want. Say printables, templates, ebooks, etc. Design the product using tools like Canva or Microsoft Word. Upload your product to a platform like Etsy or Gumroad. Promote your product through social media, Pinterest, or your blog. Once you create a great product and market it well, you can earn passive income each month, sometimes even while you sleep. So there you have it, 5 amazing ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you want to create online courses, start a newsletter, or offer freelance services, build a YouTube channel, or sell digital products, there's a path for everyone. While earning $1,200 plus per day might sound like a big goal, it's completely possible if you're consistent, work hard, and focus on building your online presence over time. Remember, the key to success is choosing a method that aligns with your interests and skills. The more passionate you are about what you do, the easier it will be to stay motivated and achieve your goals. So why wait? Pick your favorite method and start your journey towards making money online today. Which method did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more strategies and tips to help you succeed in the online world.